We just finished uploading the video.
Hold on, I'm gonna go on your wall right now.
Provide a link to it on my channel, like in the box here somewhere. Yeah, that's how it is. You know, when I get back to my computer.
How come I'm not tagged, huh?
Bye bye.
What?
Video time. Behind the scenes video.
So here's Ron. He's one of the actors. He's also the script. He's a script writer. He's also yeah, the starving artist.
First scene. He's gonna come first. Then you're gonna go around her. No, actually, take like 5 seconds of her looking at me. Get my reaction. Go around her. Go that way. And then what?
Oh, wow. No, you gotta do the hammer slide. How do you do hammer slide? Hammer slide, like whatever that is. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's.
So here's Mrs. Rice using RD's lap. With the laptop. Like it.
Comedy.
Like it.
Real comedy.
David likes liking it.
Best actress.
Whatever.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to a train and door problems at Vernon Jackson, we are currently experiencing a delay in 7th train service. We hope we will be shortly.
You could see what you're doing all through your glasses.
I hate that.
And this is the cameraman, Anthony. He's the guy behind the lens.
Oh, you're taking a video. Okay. Okay. On 3. 3.
Can you see her?
Slightly.
Just see her.
Okay. There's a guy's arm in the way, but you can see the jacket. I don't know. Oh, Jeff, can
Oh no, we can't see anymore. Maybe we see through your eyeballs. You win our respect.
Yeah, I didn't have that before.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry.
What?
Is it done yet?
Watch the internet. Go out. Is this loading?
Congratulations, you built this.
Yeah. I need some high fives too. High fives, high fives. I can't see where you guys are. High five.
Do you like that? Do you like that vlog?
Okay, thank you.
No, I'm supposed to be walking while you talk.
walk? Yeah, walk.
Okay,
Walk and talk. It's like the West Wing. Let's go.
Are you guys still trolling?
Just put a banner on my wall.
Trolls.
Please don't cover up.